But rebut Junaid Bhattu as to why did you say they're playing a spoiler? Why did you say they're playing a spoiler?
To spoil your relations with the BJP.
Let's listen to Mr. Bhatt. Junaid, let's listen to Mr. Bhatt. Yeah.
Mr. Mattu, listen to me. Why are you trying to instill a fear in me that we are going to have a dialogue on government formation with BJP? We have to try every option. Our leadership
No fair.
has
You have a right to do it. Please do it.
And ideological strength to go ahead. He will take a decision which befits people's
Okay,
interest.
sure, go ahead. Who is stopping you?
Mr. Bhatt, Mr. Bhatt, may I ask you a question?
Don't teach us how to go with the dialogue.
What can you tell our viewers? Since you say that we are making too many derivations,
Who can teach the job? Mufti Sahib and his disciples.
So what was the agenda? No, Mr. Nizam Bhatt,
Sir, our
Mr.
offer
Bhatt,
of unconditional support is there for you.
What was the agenda of this 60-minute meet with Abdul Ghani Bhatt?
Agree, you want to reject it, you want to accept it.
Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt,
it is your right, then go ahead. Our offer is there for you.
No, Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt.
Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise.
Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt, my question to you is, sir.
What noise?
But that doesn't mean we are taking a decision.
Yes, you do.
We are assessing.
Well,
but the sad part
okay, Junaid Bhattu, Nizamuddin Bhatt, pause. I have a news alert to share. I have a news alert to share. Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt and Junaid Bhattu, the National Conference, the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has tweeted that the National Conference no way is engaging with the BJP. We are not in any kind of talks with the BJP. He's just put it out on Twitter. But that's just an alert. But what I'm going to come back to Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt on is, what was the agenda for that 60-minute meet?
Omar was the first person from J&K to meet BJP leadership.
No, but he has put it out on Twitter. He's not speaking to them anymore, sir. Sir, he's tweeted right now. I'm just saying, what I'm asking you is, sir, what was the agenda of this 60-minute meet? Tea does not last for 60 minutes, sir. But, and if no politics was discussed, no government formation was discussed, why is it that Abdul Ghani Bhatt came out and spoke only about government formation, only about way forward, only about his opinion about what should be done?
One question? Should I pose you one question?
Yes, sir.
If a separatist comes to a mainstream leader, even on a social call, and chooses a timing where many things are going to happen, is this a defeat or victory? You see, I would not like to say this because
it is the timing, sir. It is the timing when the separatist leader chooses to make this visit, whether he chose to make the visit, whether he was invited over. Those are the questions that are being asked. And why just around the corner?
I think Rashneek wants to answer that.
Just around the corner of the time.
And then we'll have a question to Sambit Patra as well about this mysterious meeting that has taken place. Rashneek, yes, quick point. Quick point, then to Junaid Bhattu. Rashneek, go ahead.
Yes. Padmaja.
Just 2 seconds.
Padmaja, I have one question to him.
I'll come to you. Let Rashneek make his point.
If this gentleman came on a visit.
Rashneek, just 2 seconds.
If this gentleman came to have tea with you, what was the point in giving this one-page statement after this? Why did he have to speak about all these things about elections and saying they are not the final arbitrator of constitutional validity in India? If he simply wanted to have tea, he should have had tea and left. But then after this, he is making such pronouncements which are not just questioning the validity of elections, but putting a question mark on PDP's meeting with him itself.
Absolutely, it was a clear political statement. Junaid Bhattu, yes, your question as well. Yes.
Yes. My question is directly to Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt. He says that NCA's offer of support is a spoiler. When you say offer of support is a spoiler, you belittle it, you undermine it, and you qualify it. Is Mr. Bhatt authorized to speak on these issues on behalf of his party? Because Mehbooba ji said only Naeem Akhtar Sahab is supposed to speak. Now, is he speaking for himself or is he speaking for the PDP?
You may try that. I don't mislead people. What I said is that on the one hand,
sir, you have lost an election. Stop talking like that. Have some humility, sir. You have some humility. Have some humility.
On the other hand, you are making statements in the context of...
Sir, are you speaking on behalf of the PDP or yourself? That is my question.
Which is a vicious statement. which is a vicious
Mr.
statement.
Bhatt, the question asked to you by
Are you
Rashneek
speaking
and Mr.
on
Mattu
behalf
is
of the
very
PDP
simple.
or yourself?
You're
No.
speaking on behalf of the PDP.
Do you know what
Then why do the
Trump said?
people,
Are you speaking
on
why
behalf
does
of the
Abdul
PDP
Ghani
or
Bhatt,
yourself?
after he meets your party's patron-in-chief,
Why do you
go
do that?
out and make a political statement about government formation?
Oh, God.
After a meeting
Are
with
you
friends,
speaking on behalf
why are
of
you
the
talking
PDP
about
or are
government
you
formation,
speaking on behalf
who to
of
ally
yourself?
with whom or not? And Sambit Patra, I want to bring you in at this point. You very conveniently at the beginning
It
of
is
the
very
debate said
important
that
for me to
I believe it was a
ask,
social call and
I'll
I'll
come
just
back
take
to
the
that, Junaid
PDP's
Bhattu,
word
just
for it.
Just wait.
Do you
He's
think
speaking on behalf of
before
himself.
allying with the PDP, if that happens, if that alliance does take shape eventually, you should make it a precondition that the PDP should come clean on what was the agenda of this meeting, what was the purpose, what was the content, what went on exactly between these two gentlemen? Because in the past, you've made your stand very clear on engagement with separatists.
See, Padmaja, all I would say is the key word to the debate of Jammu and Kashmir government formation is patience. Listen to him first.
No, Dr.
I'll
Patra, go
speak
ahead. Mr. Bhatt, please wait on. Yes, the BJP spokesperson is speaking. Yes, Dr. Patra.
All I was
Why
saying
is
is
this an inference?
the key
Why is
word
this
is
an inference?
patience. We all need to have patience. I would not preempt any relation as of now.
No, we're not
And in a
preempting
good
anything. We're not
democracy,
preempting anything. All we're saying
No.
is before you tie up with this party, if you do, make it very clear. If you've gone and supped with the separatists,
See, I
make it
made
very
my
clear
opening
what happened in
statement.
that meeting.
Padmaja, I made my opening statement absolutely clear that Bharatiya Janata Party would never ever believe in any dictation by the separatist forces. In fact, in this very election of Jammu and Kashmir, the separatist forces have been defeated in a way which was historic. People came out of their houses and they voted against the boycott call given by the separatists.
Sanjay Shah, do you
I do
think that
not
should be a
know what
precondition?
transpired between
Sanjay
the
Shah.
separatists
Sanjay Shah has
and
a
the
counterpoint
PDP.
for you.
The
Yes, Sanjay.
PDP spokesperson is there to answer for their party. But our stand is, let us not preempt as to how the government is being formed.
No one
In
is
a mature
preempting, but
democracy, all the
Sanjay Shah,
stakeholders
it seems
should
it is
talk.
very convenient to just accept what the PDP is saying at face value, that it was just a friendly meeting between two people. There was no political context to it at all, because it just serves everyone very, very conveniently at this point.
Well, Padmaja,
Sanjay Shah.
the truth is that the BJP had a very open understanding with Sajjad Loan anyway in Kashmir. So I'm very surprised about how BJP spokesperson Mr. Patra is having a very, very different view on
What's the
separatists
problem
right
if
now.
Sajjad
The
Loan
truth
comes
is
back
that
to the mainstream
BJP has
politics?
today
I
an
mean, rather that's a
alternative option
victory
a
of the
grand
mainstream
alliance.
politics of the country.
Question
that
is,
if
the
any
question is,
separatist
can I speak
or
without
separatist
your
once upon a
interruption?
time becomes a
The
mainstream
point I'm
politician,
making here
I
is,
believe
the
this is a
point
victory
I'm
of
making
India.
here is that the Grand Alliance is an alternative option for the PDP to explore. The truth is that
No,
if
Sanjay
you look
Shah, you're
at-
taking
if
the
you
wrong
look at
example.
Jammu and Kashmir
Because
votes,
Dr. Patra
but then
has
you
a
find
valid
it's a
point when he
highly
asks
polarized
you,
vote between
if a
Jammu and
separatist
Kashmir.
comes back to the
So 1 minute.
mainstream,
I think
why does
what
the
you need
Congress
to
have a problem with that?
Can I just make one point?
No, that's what he's asking you. When
That
you
in
take the
fact-
example of
that in
Sajjad Loan,
fact
he's a
sets the best
separatist who's come
example.
back to
But
the
that's
mainstream.
the stance
Would
that
you
the
welcome
PDP
that?
takes.
Or
That's
do you have a
exactly
problem
the
with that, sir?
stance- That's exactly the stance that the PDP takes. So the
No,
I'm
what
saying
stance does the
that
PDP
is the
take?
same stance
No, no.
that the PDP is taking. The BJP.
Sir,
should
I'm
have
not
no
talking
objection
about
to that.
Mehbooba
So
Mufti
the
talking to
point I'm making,
Sajjad
there's a
Loan.
larger
The
point.
issue is Mufti
There's a
Mohammad
no,
Saeed
the
sitting and
PDP
having tea with
Sanjay Shah,
Abdul Ghani
what
Bhatt,
is
who
the stand
continues
of
to
the
maintain his
Congress when
separatist
the
He has
stance.
been talking.
believes that mainstream politics
You
is
know,
the best way. What is the
you
stand
need-
of Congress in this? You are giving
Anand, can
example
I
of
speak?
Sajjad
Can
Loan.
I
Answer
speak
me on
without
this.
an interruption for a minute? My
Yes.
main point. I think the Bharatiya Janata Party recognizes that its Mission 44 was a dismal flop. Now it has to be a junior partner to the PDP. I don't think the Bharatiya Janata Party can set any terms. Now the PDP obviously is extremely
Introspect,
concerned
Sanjay.
because if
Introspect
you have
about
a
the
partner
Congress.
in
Don't think
BJP,
too much
which is
about
playing a
Bharatiya
larger
Janata Party.
RSS-driven
That's the
Hindu
reason
No, are you
propaganda all over
objecting to the
India.
BJP and
It puts
PDP tying
Jammu
up
and
You
Sanjay
are
Shah
thinking about
because you
Bharatiya
think
Janata
they are
Party, not
ideologically
thinking about your own
different, or
party.
because you don't agree with the ideology of the PDP? Do you not agree with the ideology of the PDP and the kind of meetings that they're
Anand,
having with separatists, Sanjay
Padmaja,
Shah? Is
I
that
think
the problem?
larger issue is not just BJP in Jammu and Kashmir. You got to look at BJP all over India.
No, let's focus on the
Sanjay Jha,
PDP
come to the
here.
point, please. You know, when you get your minute, when you get your minute, you stretch the debate the wrong way. My question to you is, why did you rake up the issue of Sajjad Lone? Somebody who was a separatist in the past now has come back to the mainstream. You have a problem with that. My question to you is, why is it that you're not very upset with the PDP sitting and engaging with a separatist leader, a confirmed separatist leader who's come and maintained? He's also called, the Mirwais group of action had called for a boycott of the polls. Now, why is the Congress not have a very strong point about engaging with separatists? Is it because that's also okay with the Congress?
Well, we do have a point of view. No, Anand, what am I saying? This is the PDP's call. The PDP has an option of a grand alliance. You have the NC spokesperson talking about an unconditional support. So is the Congress. Now the PDP has two options. Whether you go with a grand alliance with the NC and
No,
the
where do
Congress,
the separatists come in the picture?
Spokesperson of the party.
Why the reason to engage with the separatists?
Why this desperation of power in spite of being rejected?
Therefore, it's for the
Let me ask
PDP's call.
Sanjay Jha,
It's a
why
PDP's
Congress is
call.
showing this desperation
Whether they
of power?
want to go with a hardline Hindutva party like the Bharatiya Janata Party, which actually fought the election as a Jammu versus Kashmir.
So where do the
and not
separatist
as a Jammu
leaders come in?
and Kashmir election.
No, Sanjay Jha, where do the separatist leaders come in this call? They are nowhere the stakeholders in a democratic process. So Sanjay Jha said on record that it is not okay to engage with separatists.
Development and progress.
No, you say it on record, irrespective of any party, it's not okay to engage with separatists, especially when you're talking about forming a government.
Anand, can I make a point, please?
Coming to
Sanjay
Rashid,
will not
coming to you.
answer this.
Well,
Ask you as you may, but
Anand,
Sanjay will never
Anand,
answer
let me
this
tell
because
you,
Sanjay is feeling
let me tell you,
that there is a
let me
chance
tell you,
that
I
all
think
of them
Mr.
will ally
Patra does
together
not
to
know
rule
his
over Jammu
essential
Kashmir.
facts. The Congress party won seats in Jammu. The Congress party won seats in Ladakh. The Congress party won seats in the Kashmir Valley. Please know
No, but
these facts,
Sanjay Jha,
Mr.
we are
Patra.
not talking about the poll results and trying to decode them over here. What we're asking very simply is that you have a problem with Mufti Muhammad Saeed meeting Abdul Ghani Bhatt. Then why are you okay with tying up with the PDP and the National Conference to form a grand alliance? It should be equally reprehensible to you that they are having this kind of conversation. Then don't tie up with them.
Well,
Don't have the grand alliance with
This
them.
is the PDP's judgment call. No, we are not engaging.
So
I
if
can
they
speak on
engage
behalf
with
of
the
my
BJP
party.
also,
We are
it's a
not engaging
PDP's
with the
judgment call, but you're
separatists in any
critical of
dialogue
it.
for forming of the government
No,
at all.
Sanjay Jha,
So the
the
question
Congress
that we
is
are talking
critical
about,
of a possible
the
judgment call that could be
PDP
made by the PDP of allying with the
Sorry.
BJP. But you are not critical of a judgment call made by the PDP of engaging with the Hurriyat or with a separatist leader. So there is a dichotomy in your point and your position. How is that possible?
Because the PDP National Conference and Congress may be politically competitive, but we have a more common ground. Please.
So
remember,
that is
we have run a
why
government with the PDP
you
and
will
the
say it is
National
okay if you
Conference.
engage with the separatists, Mr. PDP, or dear PDP, Mr. Mufti Muhammad Saeed, but don't engage with the BJP because you don't agree. What is the logic here?
Bharatiya Janata Party is one which is playing a Hindu
You have a problem with a party which is a stakeholder in a democratic process engaging with another party which is a stakeholder in a democratic process. But you don't have a problem with the party engaging with somebody who's got nothing to do with the democratic
that
process.
on the one
I
hand,
can't
the
hear
Congress
anything
would
for now.
outrage
Let them
about
keep
this
quiet.
engagement between the PDP patron-in-chief and Abdul Ghani Bhatt, but would have no compunctions about tying up with that very same party if it were to be a grand alliance against the BJP.
You see, Congress's grapes are terribly sour. That is why Sanjay Jha keeps, digressing the debate
is that
from one
question
end
to
to
me,
another. Having said that, I have no love lost for Sajjad Lone, but Sajjad Lone has accepted Constitution of India. He is standing in these elections, but the Hurriyat has not. That is the essential difference between a Sajjad Lone and a Hurriyat. The Hurriyat have asked for boycott of the polls. Sajjad Lone has come and stood in these polls. He may have won 1 or 2 seats, that's okay. But to compare a Sajjad Lone today with a Hurriyat is being, he possibly doesn't understand what Kashmir means. And to take this, not criticizing PDP, because Sanjay Jha believes that there could be an off chance of them collaborating with PDP to form government. So he cannot obviously criticize them right now. That's his problem.
No, but that should not. That is a very contrarian view that the Congress is taking on two similar grounds.
well,
No,
we
Sanjay
cannot
Jha, my
dictate how PDP
problem
should
with the
place
Congress's
politics.
position
No,
tonight
Anand,
here on the
you
news
should
hour
understand one thing.
is
Can I
very
come in?
straightforward. And please allow me to make this point. The fact is that there is a party which is part of a democratic process. It's a stakeholder in the democratic process of Jammu and Kashmir. There is another party which is also a stakeholder. If they engage with each other, the Congress have a problem, because they believe they're ideologically different. But the Congress is okay with a stakeholder in a democratic process engaging with somebody who's got nothing to do with this process, who's objected to this process.
Who is Congress to decide that?
Yeah, no. And how can the Congress take that position?
Anand, you missed the point. Anand, you missed
How
the
does
point.
Congress
The
determine?
PDP has a
Is
problem.
Congress giving
all
certificates
these
of ideology?
bylaws, we all
PDP
missed
didn't
the
have a
point.
problem. You would have had a government.
it is your way
you would
of
have had a
speaking
government
which is
between
faulted,
PDP
not
and
our
BJP
hearing.
already.
Grapes are sour.
I think you are missing the woods for the trees.
No,
It's
you
not-
are
it's
missing
the
the whole point
Congress's
altogether.
view at this point
Congress
is
has come to a
important, but the
state
PDP
that
is
anybody
not
with
a
whom it
problem.
can align with
Sanjay
to stay
Jha,
on in power or stay on in
PDP
some
has a
semblance
problem
of
with the
contention of
BJP.
government
Otherwise, why
formation.
has it taken
Whatever the
so
day
long
is
to form a
okay.
government?
How
Whatever
can you
they do is
decide who
okay.
has to tie up with whom?
As long as they don't engage with the BJP, they can go and engage with anybody. The Congress won't care. Is that the position that the Congress is taking today?
Well,
Sanjay Jha, is that
why
the
don't you
position
ask
you're
the
taking today?
BJP
That as long as they
spokesperson-
don't engage
why
with the
don't you ask
BJP, they can go and
spokesperson,
engage with
are they
anybody.
going to dilute Article 370? Are they not going to press for
May I
uniform
ask you
civil
this?
code?
May
Are
I
they
ask
not
you,
gonna-
Sanjay
are they
Jha,
not
what do
gonna
you want?
debate
about?
You
Where
want
is
a
he
party
taking
to
the
engage
debate?
with separatists
Are they gonna put that
or
in
a
the
party
back
to work
burner?
with another party on a common minimum program to give Jammu and Kashmir a stable
You see,
government?
BJP is such a political opportunist party.
So what
that
is the
they will
Congress?
do anything
What is the
to try and
Congress?
get into the government of Jammu.
And you
What
are
is the
saying
Congress?
it's good
That
to
is
say.
what
And
why
Congress
it
is
should
all
be
saying
Janata
Expose
Party.
yourself.
What is the
Congress
Congress?
is a
Sanjay, it is
stakeholder.
good
Well, with all due respect,
Congress
Sanjay
is
Jha, the
saying
kind of
that
arguments you've been
expose
giving over the
yourself,
last
don't
30
expose
minutes,
yourself.
they reek as much of opportunism as the opportunism you're accusing
Well said,
BJP of.
Patra. I was just coming to Dr.
I've been
Patra.
listening to all of you.
A stable and a strong government
Can I make a
in the
point?
state.
No, you want a stable and a strong
make
government,
a
but at
point?
what cost? On the one hand, you cannot stand the fact that the PDP would try and engage with the separatists, but you're okay with them as long as they are going to help you put up an alliance against the BJP. If that is not opportunism, then what is, Sanjay Jha?
Padmaja, Congress could ally with a party which had
listen,
sympathies
we don't
towards
endorse any
LTTE.
conversation
What
of
do you
any
expect
kind
of
with
the Congress?
With the Hurriyat
There was
or
a
with
Jain
the
Commission
separatists.
report which
And
said
let
that
me
one of
tell
the
you,
political
as the
parties
PDP
had sympathies for
spokesperson has
LTTE, the
clarified
ones who
that there
murdered
was
Rajiv Gandhi,
that there
the
was
ones
no
who killed
strategic
Rajiv
dialogue
Gandhi.
between them.
With
But that's
them,
for them to
Congress
sort
formed
out.
government. What are you talking of?
Okay, so
They
at
don't have
least
any
now there is
ideology.
consensus.
The
Rashni
ideology
Khair, now
of
there is
Congress
consensus
is
between the
power.
BJP and the Congress
No,
both
but
that it
you
was
know-
purely a social call.
No,
that a social
I-
call
you
was
know, I
paid
think
by
Mr.
Mufti
Patra
Mohammed
does
Saeed
not
to
know his
Abdul
basic
Ghani Bhatt.
facts. I need
So
to
at least
correct
there is a
him.
meeting point over there. But Junaid Mattu, I want to get you in at this point. There is also another stream of thought that perhaps Mr. Bhatt was an intermediary to try and cobble together this grand alliance, to try and tell the PDP, because we had the Congress spokesperson earlier, the regional spokesperson, Mr. Rashid Chaudhary, saying that the PDP and the BJP cannot go together. Maybe Mr. Bhatt was trying to convey the impression that it would be against the interests of Kashmir that such an alliance should be formed, and maybe that's the idea that he was conveying to Mr. Mufti Mohammed Saeed. A grand alliance that your national conference will also be part of.
We have no information to suggest that, and I mean, whatever transpired between them, that is between the PDP and Professor Bhatt. That has nothing to do with us. So our opinion on that would be reserved because we don't know what transpired between them.
Right. Okay. Running out of time on the debate, just one final question to Dr. Patra here. Dr. Patra, your government, the BJP-led NDA government, or stop the talks or engagement with Pakistan because Pakistan was engaging with separatists. Today, as of now, the official position of the PDP is it was a social call, the engagement between Mufti Mohammed Saeed and Abdul Ghani Bhatt. But the voices from the other side, the statement from the other side is quite the contrary. What will be the BJP's position if tomorrow you come to know that indeed there was consultation, there was engaging with separatists in terms of formation of government in Jammu and Kashmir, what to do going ahead? What will be the BJP's position, sir?
In a single line, I would say the Bharatiya Janata Party's call is always the national cause. We always stand by the national cause. We will never take dictation by any separatist forces, come whatsoever. So as far as whatever reason they were
Answer the
meeting with the
question.
separatists, I mean the PDP was meeting with the separatists, the PDP alone can answer. And as of now, in this debate, at least I am not seeing the PDP spokesperson standing by the separatists and saying that they were taking any kind of dictations from the separatists. If the voice changes, maybe we will have a second debate.
Well, obviously, you cannot expect the PDP spokesperson to say, yes, we were talking about government formation, we were taking dictation from the separatists. But okay, if you're saying a national call, we will get you more details of what transpired in that meeting, and we'll hold you to that promise that you will not take any sort of direction from the separatists on government formation in Jammu and Kashmir. Completely out of time. Thank you very much, Junaid Mattu, Rashni Khair, Sanjay Jha, Sambit Patra, and Mr. Bhatt for joining us on this debate.